Hello guys and welcome. This is a Packet Bell laptop and I just replaced the hard drive and it keeps telling me that no bootable device. Insert a boot disk and press any key. So when I press any key, it keeps giving me that same message. So in this case, you need to install a new operating system onto the hard drive because there is no operating system onto the hard drive. And in here I have a bootable drive here, which when I have Windows 10 inside on it, and anytime that I plug the pen drive, it keeps stacking on this same page. So let's try it, then you see how it's going. So let's plug the pen drive here. As the pen drive is being plugged here, you can see that here it's plugged. So let's power it off and then so we power on, right, as you can see it's just stuck on this page. Now what we need to do is that we have to go into the BIOS settings and configure the boot settings. And with this, I don't know the shortcut key for the boot order. So let's go into the BIOS settings and see if we can set the shortcut key boot configuration, or we configure the PC to boot from the USB pen drive. Press F2, keep on pressing F2 to enter the BIOS settings. Now as we are in the BIOS settings, you go to the boot options here, right? So we have the hard drive here, our CD-ROM here, and this is our pen drive, but it's not booting, so meaning it is working normal. So let's take it to the top. So as you can see on the screen, it says F5 or S6 to change values. So we press F5 to take it to the top. So that is our pen drive here. Or you go to the main menu here at the top. Now you come down here and change it to so you can see we have the boot, the F12 boot menu, which is what? Disabled. So let's enable it. So when we press F12, we can go into the boot options directly without, so press that is being enabled. Now let's exit and save changes. So when that is done, so keep pressing F12 to go into the boot settings. Now we are in the boot menu options, so you select our pen drive to boot from the pen drive. Right, so as you can see, our pen drive is booting now. Right, so here we just start with the installation process. So you select your language, which is English, automatically here, and then we select next, then install now. So in here you select your version of Windows you want to install. So in my case I need Windows Professional, Windows 10 Professional, so I select Windows 10 Professional, then next. Alright, so I do accept the licenses and terms, so next. Now here you can install direct, but we need to a custom installation, so where we want the Windows to be installed to. So we select our custom installation, select that, and this is our hard drive. So let's delete these partitions. I don't need any of the partitions available. So what I need is my total hard drive size is 320 gig. So I'm going to partition it into two. So let's say I'm going to make the Windows drive 100 gig. So let's say 100 gig exactly, and the other partition for the drive D to be the other partition. So this is it. So this is our other location. So let's create that one too. Apply that. Right, so in this case, if we don't format it here, but if we go into inside the Windows, we will know it will not be detected. We have to go into disk management to create the partition and format it for it to display. But in my case, I'll format it here. That is my drive D partition. I'll format it here. Right, it is being formatted, and we have a partition 3 for it. So on the 100 gig, we need our Windows, which is going to be installed inside. So we select the 100 gig and then click on next, and now the installation process started. So I will skip the video to the ending part of the installation. Right, so as it's getting closer to the ending, I just stopped here. What we're going to be doing is that it is going to be requesting for us to restart. You just click on the restart, or you wait for it to restart by itself. So let's just click the restart as it is restarting. Right, so it is telling us to press any key, but we don't need that because the drive is still plugged onto the PC. As you can see it here, the drive is still plugged here. The drive is still plugged here. You can see that here. But in this case, you can unplug it because this process which is going through, it is no more going to be using the drive. So you can unplug the drive and then just leave it to process it on its own. Alright, so as it restarted, finished. Now you can see that it is starting the services. So we just wait for it. All this process is going to be, the PC is going to be doing it all by itself. So we are going to wind the video to fasten the process. So let's get it done in a jiffy. So in order for us not to keep on seeing press any key, so let's unplug the drive here. So this is it. Let's unplug it, and this is it. So let's keep it down and wait for it to finish.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, pretend a Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Alright, so you can use a voice note or
Region is set to
a keyboard and
United
mouse
States. Is that right?
to configure the settings. So we select US, United States, yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
So my keyboard layout is UK, so we select United Kingdom.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
So let's keep that for now.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Alright, so I don't have internet for now, so we skip for now.
Type what you want to name your account.
So our PC name, let's say user. So we name it user and then next.
Okay, now type a password for
We
your
don't need a
account.
password for now, so let's keep that.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Actually, for Cortana, yes. So
These are the
these are just read and follow instructions. So I'll skip that for us to go. So we accept that.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
So here we just wait for it to do its own things. So again, I'm going to be doing a wind up to skip so that we don't waste much time on this process. And our Windows, we are inside Windows. So that is just how to install a new operating system onto this Packet Bell PC. So let's go and see if our drives are detected, the other partition which we created. So let's go to this PC, and you can see this is the other partition which we created, and this is the 100 gig which is for the Windows, and the other partition is this. So guys, that is just how to install a new operating system onto this Packet Bell PC. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. So we see you on our next video, and don't forget to subscribe once again. Peace out.